Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyu Nugroho. My major is Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technique at Politeknik Kayu. Okay, I want to tell you about how to remove screw with Phillips screwdriver. I will explain what is a screwdriver and how to use it for a physical according to the procedure. The function of the screwdriver itself is to loosen or tighten the screws. Then how do we use a screwdriver properly and correctly to reduce the rise of screwdriver bang the make quickly? The following are the steps to using a screwdriver according to the procedure. Select the size and tips of screwdriver that matches the screw gap. Hold the screwdriver with one hand and aim the screwdriver into the gap using the other hand. Hold the screwdriver in an upright position with the screw. If you want to loosen the screw, turn the left and temporarily. If you want to tighten the rotary screw, do to the right. Besides that, screwdriver also need to be treated properly and correctly. Then how do you treat screwdriver properly and correctly? Every time a screwdriver has been used, make sure to always clean it using a cloth so that the screwdriver is not quickly damaged and rusty. That's all. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.